Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about Gupta period, and I will cover topic from Lucent book. So you can consider this is the revision of Lucent book also. So let's start with Gupta period. So Gupta period, the founder of Gupta period was Sri Gupta, and one more thing is like Gupta period is also called classical age or golden age in ancient India. So founder was Sri Gupta, and he adopted title Maharaja, and then his son was Ghatotkacha. Okay, so Ghatotkacha is not important, but the son of Ghatotkacha was Chandragupta I. So Chandragupta I is very important ruler of Gupta period, and also he is also called real founder of Gupta period. So let's see about Chandragupta I. So he adopted a title Maharaja Dhiraj, and he marries with Lichavi princess Kumara Devi, and he started a Gupta era in 319 to 320 AD. So the question is, who started Gupta era? Chandragupta I. Who started the Gupta era? Chandragupta I. Okay. So let's see another point. And he issued a gold coin dinaras, and his son was Samundragupta. So Samundragupta is also one of the important rulers. So we have to remember sequence wise. Like we should remember sequence wise. Sri Gupta, then his son was Ghatotkacha, then his son was Chandragupta I. He was real founder, and he started the gold coin, and also he started Gupta era, and he married with Lichavi princess Kumara Devi. Okay. After Chandragupta I, his son succeeded, and his son name was Samundragupta. Samundragupta is very important because he was also called Indian Napoleon, and who called V.A. Smith. Okay, so we get to know little bit more about Samundragupta through various inscription. So uh, there is a one. There are multiple inscription. Let's see. Uh, we get to know about him. He was also called Kaviraj through Prayag Prasasti inscription, Param Bhagwat through Nalanda copper plate, Ashwamedha Prakarna through coin. He adopted title Sarv Raj Ocheta, and we get to know this about Allahabad inscription. And another point, like at the time of Samundragupta, Sri Lankan ruler Meghwaran built a monastery for Buddhist pilgrim at Bodh Gaya, and we get to know this information through the book of Van Hun Se, and Van Hun Se was Chinese traveler. So this is all about Samundragupta. And last point, like it's not important, but his dominion was spread till Java, Sumatra, and Malaya Island. Okay, now let's see the another important ruler of Gupta period was Chandragupta II. So first started with Sri Gupta, Ghatotkacha, then Chandragupta I, then Samundragupta. Okay, Chandragupta I, Samundragupta. Then next is Chandragupta II. Okay, so let's revise again. First Sri Gupta, Ghatotkacha, Chandragupta I, real founder. Then Samundragupta, Napoleon, and next is Chandragupta II. Okay, so first Sri Gupta adopted title Maharaj, Chandragupta adopted title Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay, just remember Sri Gupta Maharaja Dhiraj, Chandragupta I Maharaja Dhiraj. Now Chandragupta II. So he adopted title Vikramaditya. Okay, and actually Samundragupta had two sons. One is Chandragupta II, and one is Ramagupta. So first Ramagupta succeeded Chandragupta, but later Chandragupta II killed Ramagupta and married with his wife Dhruva Devi. So why he married? There are some reason. Reason is like there were a fight happened between Ramagupta and Saka ruler. So in that fight, uh, Ramagupta accepted defeat and he given his wife to Saka ruler. Then later what happened? Chandragupta to attack on Saka ruler, and after attack he killed his brother and married with Dhruva Devi. And let's see another point about Chandragupta too. So we get to know about Chandragupta too through Mehrauli iron pillar inscription. And another important point about him is he married his daughter to Vatkata princess Rudrasena too. So this is very important point. He married his daughter Chandragupta to uh, prince of Vakatka named Rudrasena too, and Chandragupta issued silver coin after victory over Saka. So this is very important point. So Chandragupta was the first ruler who issued silver coin, and when he issued silver coin after victory over Saka ruler. Okay, and through Mehrauli inscription we get to know little bit more about Chandragupta too, like he defeated Vanga and Vahika rulers. So question can be asked like through which inscription in which inscription it is mentioned Chandragupta too defeated Vanga and Vahika. So Mehrauli inscription. Okay, who was the first Gupta ruler who issued gold coin? Silver coin. So Chandragupta too. Why did he issue this? After victory over Saka ruler. Okay, now let's see some more important point about Chandragupta too. So at the time of Chandragupta, the Chinese traveler was Fa Hen, and he written a book, travel log. The name was Fo Gu Oz. So important point, only Chinese travel Fa Hen. So at the time of Samudragupta, who was the Chinese traveler, Wan Hen, and at the time of Chandragupta too, Fa Hen, Wa-Fa. Just remember Wi-Fi. So just remember Wi-Fi. So first Samudragupta Y and then Chandragupta to Phi. Okay. So there were some Navratna in the Chandragupta. So let's see the Navratna of Chandragupta too. So Kalidas, Amar Sin, Dhanvantri, Varamihir, Van Bhat, Bela Bhat, Sanku. I think I have not written all name, but this is not important. The important, I have covered almost all the important point related to Chandragupta too. Now let's see about Kumar Gupta I. So Kumar Gupta I, he was the worshipper of god Kartikeya and he founded Nalanda Mahavira. So this is only important point about Kumar Gupta I. Kumar Gupta I founded Nalanda Mahavira. Okay, and he adopted title Mahendraditya. Okay, so Chandragupta II, he killed his brother and defeated Saka ruler, also defeated Vanga and Vahika and adopted title Vikramaditya. Samudragupta Napoleon, Chandragupta Maharaja Dhiraj, Sri Gupta Maharaja. Okay, and then Kumar Gupta I adopted title Mahendraditya and he organized Aswamedha Yagya. So